gets the first number correct. But how about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers. Oh, I think Rocky is calculating. Alright. Let's see if he can do this. Come on, Rocky boy. Oh, I think he knows the answer. Let's see. And he gets number 2. So 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. A round of applause for Rocky with greater wins. Next time, we need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Anyone who wants to be our lucky volunteer for today, just raise your hands up and Trainer Bernie will choose one. Once again, we need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Alright, I think we got one. You will notice that the birds in our show are mostly parrots. It is because they are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically kind. Hi there, good afternoon. Welcome to Manila Ocean Park. Now there, first off, what is your name? A round of applause for our volunteer, Miss Kyra! Now ma'am, may I have your 500 peso bill? And all you have to do is stand here in front, facing this way, and extend your left arm, just like this, as I put your money between your fingers.
Yung bird na puti. Yan.
Now, do you have any idea what will happen next? Let's see. Now let's join our fun bird, Buddy. Buddy is also our Moluccan cockatoo. Come on, Buddy. Buddy flies over. Oh, he gets the money and flies back. And I think, Buddy! Just donated our money! A round of applause for our donor! Yeah, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Well, your money will be in good hands and we are very grateful. You may now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest.
Wala na, donation box yun.
Anyone else?
Wala na. 1,000.
Come on guys, no more. Ishayna, are you okay?
Sa kanya galing yan?
Na babae. Na babae.
Why do you look so sad? Remember, just getting it all part of our show. Please come back here in front and we'll give your money back.
Ay, ba. Pakunin.
Ma'am, Buddy is saying something. Before Buddy gives your money back, Buddy wants to give you a kiss. Is it okay? Wonderful. Now stand here in front. Look at the camera and over your cheek. Sweet. Another one. How about on your hand? Just open your palm and look at the camera.
Ayaw naman niya.
Sayang pa kami.
Hindi yan, wala yan.
And there